Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Cooke In-Home 4-piece 8-quart multi-pots, stainless steel pasta cooker steamer, and Cooke In-Home kitchen cookware sets. 12-piece basic stainless steel pots and pans, silver, which is special because it offers a comprehensive cooking solution with its multi-pot and cookware set, making it ideal for home cooks who want to prepare a variety of dishes with ease. This product is perfect for those who value durability, versatility, and ease of use in their kitchen utensils, and it's designed to meet the needs of cooks who want to whip up everything from hearty stews to delicate sauces. Let me break down the specs. The Cooke In-Home 4-piece 8-quart multi-pots features a stainless steel construction with a thickness of 0.5 millimeters, an 8-quart capacity, and a diameter of 12 inches. The set includes a steamer basket with a depth of 3 inches and a lid with a stay-cool handle. The Cooke In-Home kitchen cookware sets, 12-piece basic stainless steel pots and pans, silver, features a set of 1.5 quart, 2.5 quart, and 3.5 quart saucepans, a 5-quart Dutch oven, a 10-inch frying pan, and a 12-inch frying pan, all made with 1810 stainless steel and a thickness of 1.5 millimeters. The cookware set also features a heat-resistant temperature of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's compatible with gas, electric, and ceramic stovetops. The multi-pot and cookware set are both dishwasher safe, and they feature a mirror finish that resists scratches and corrosion. The handle of the saucepans and frying pans is made of silicone and stays cool to the touch, and the set includes a set of ergonomic stay-cool handles that make it easy to lift and pour. The weight of the multi-pot is 4.5 pounds, and the weight of the cookware set is 15 pounds, with dimensions of 24 inches by 12 inches by 10 inches. The set is also induction compatible, with a magnetic base that allows for efficient heat transfer. In real-world use, the Cooke In-Home 4-piece 8-quart multi-pots and the Cooke In-Home kitchen cookware sets, 12-piece basic stainless steel pots and pans, silver, perform exceptionally well, with a multi-pot heating evenly and the cookware set distributing heat consistently. The stainless steel construction of the set feels solid and durable, and the ergonomic handles make it easy to maneuver the pots and pans. The cookware set also cleans up easily, and the mirror finish resists scratches and corrosion. The set is also quiet when cooking, with a noise level of less than 50 decibels, and the silicone handle stays cool to the touch, even when the pot is hot. The temperature control of the set is also impressive, with the ability to maintain a consistent temperature of up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit.